the daily revenue flash. Every single day you wake up, the pain of logging into each system, going each property by property, and just to get a pulse of how things are going, it's a pain that a hotel operator or a hotel owner has as of today. This daily revenue flash, it eliminates that entirely. It gives you a one consolidated view of every property's occupancy, ADR, RevPAR. You can even compare your daily data with your month to date data along with the YTD numbers on the side. If you have your budgets in place or your forecasts in place, you can see those numbers here on your screen. You can also download this report straight from here, or you can resend it to your participants from here. Let me take you to a live environment where this is better visible. I will switch to a Docyt's dummy environment. So once you switch from this accounting tab to the business intelligence tab, you would go to your industry group. In this case, I have my own dummy environment. I have my revenue flash created by brands. This is for, let's say, May 2026. Over here, you can see all the list of your properties, whatever brands that I have divided them for. So let's say these ones are my Comfort Inns, these are all Quality Inns, these are my Hiltons, and so on. I can even customize this report by going in the edit section. So I have only added the brands so far, but I can even add more details like clusters. This could be a geographical location. And you simply go here and add like east, west, north, south, and then select your businesses accordingly. You can even divide this report by your general manager. Let's say person Hamburger is owning 10 hotels, and you can just add the name of the person and select these hotels. These are all the recipients who would be getting this daily flash every single morning. And this is how we have launched this, which is an HTML based report. Now, a few things to be cautious about. On this report, you might see some data which would say missing. This means the PMS has not sent the reports files for this location. So if anytime I see this data is missing, I am having a conversation with my general manager. Why is the night audit not run on time? Or let's say if this number is 0 because there is again no data. So we all again had a lot of feedbacks around the reporting structures here. We have enhanced and fixed those issues or the gaps which were identified. You can again download this report from here or resend it to your participants.